Can you say, what does a cow say, Rylee?
Moo.
Moo. That's right. What does a puppy dog say? Huh? What? Woof, woof, woof. What does a kitty cat say? Meow. That's right. Rylee, what does an elephant say? That's close, yeah. What does the elephant do again? Show me the elephant. That's right. What does a piggy say? A piggy. Oink, oink, oink. You put your nose up and oink, oink. Can you do... What does a cow say again?
Moo.
Moo, that's right. And what's Daddy's favorite? I want to see the kitty cat. What's the kitty cat say? Meow! You want to do the elephant again? What's the elephant say? What about a puppy dog? Why's your hand in your mouth? Can you roll your tongue? Yeah, you roll your tongue. Can you tell me, where does Jesus live? Right there in your heart. That's right, Rylee. You're so sweet. All right. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to everybody.
Bye-bye.